So most people don't realize that the guttering system required on a large commercial warehouse of the size of, say, 100,000 plus square feet is much different than your average residential gutter. This is actually an 8-inch box gutter that is 6 inches wide. The amount of water that comes off of this roof, you have to have something more than just a 5-inch K-style gutter to accommodate that volume of water. We actually custom fabricate this in our shop. This allows us to control the process. We know what's coming and we know how we want to install it. We set it on the roof, whether that be on top of wood blocking or the top of a 18 to 16 gauge metal cap of an insulated wall panel. We lay it down, we pin it 6 inches on center all the way down this 10-foot piece of gutter, and then the guys come back and strip it in using a TPO product, flashing quick seam product. And then hangers are hung every foot, pinned into this so that the gutter gives it rigidity, because with the water, any kind of wind, uplift, anything like that, you want to make sure this is not flapping in the wind. Additionally, we slope the gutter towards the downspouts. That way there is no standing water in here, because standing water eventually creates sags in the gutter, which will ultimately cause the guttering system to fail. These actually come in 4-foot by 10-foot flat sheets. We then take measurements to get the dimensions of the cut. We have a shear in our shop where we shear the flat sheets into smaller pieces. And then we have a metal brake that is a computer program, have the dimensions already in there, and we bend this to the specific dimensions for the project we're on. And for this one, it is a 8-inch box gutter, which means the back is 8 inches, the front is 7 1/8, the inside is 6 7/8. The flange on top is 2 inches, and then we have these hooks right here where the gutter hangers go inside of. You can build it up to 10 inches, and you can go as small as 6 inches on a box gutter. But this is all stuff that we fabricate in-house at Skyline Roofing. The next step would be for this box gutters to be installed. There is over 1,000 linear feet on this project. This is not a one-day event. This will take us multiple days to complete, with the ultimate goal of getting water off the roof, getting into the gutter, getting it into the downspout and into the buried pipes underneath and away from the building, away from the foundation of the roof, and actually away from the wall panels. Water is the enemy of any building. Any building system at all, water is the enemy. And this will prevent it from entering the building.